Good morning, Shravani.
Good morning, madam.
Okay, start, beta.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Shravani Kolte. I am 9 years old and studying in class 4.
Very good. हा इकडे बघायचं, तू इकडे बघून बोल. हा छान बोल.
My school name is ZP School Vaikar Basti.
Very
I
good.
live in my Babulgaon. In my family, we are 8 members. My father's name is Naneshwar. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Seema. She is a homemaker. I have one sister. Her name is Riddhi. I have one brother. His name is Sai. My grandmother's name is Sheila.
Very good. And grandfather's name is?
My grandfather's name is Rosai.
Very good.
My friend's name is Anuja, Arsha, Shreya Vaikar and Shreya Tupe.
Good. And what is your teacher's name?
My teacher's name is Jyoti Kachadas Adhat madam.
Okay.
I have a book reading. I can book reading. I have a book.
I like book reading, beta. I like book reading.
I have a pen. I have a sharpener. I have a eraser. I can speak English. I can
Speak in English. Okay.
I can fly a kite. I can fly a kite. I like red, pink and orange color.
Very good.
I like to play cricket. That's all about me. Thank you.
Very good. And do you like milk? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And do you like tea?
No.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Clap, clap, claps. Very good. Good afternoon, Aditya.
Good afternoon, madam.
Start,
Good
beta.
afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditya. I am 9 years old. Reading class 4.
Studying.
Studying class 4.
Studying in class 4. Okay.
ZPP School Vaikar Basti. I live in my Lalgaon. In my family, 4 members. My father's name is Vasai. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Kalpana. She is a housewife. I have no brother. I have 4 sisters. I like this book reading. I have pen. I have book. I have 8 books.
Very good. 8 books.
I like his mango. I like his red color. My friend name is Raj and Tanmay.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you, madam.
थँक्यू सो मच. टाळा जरे सगळ्यांनी आदित्यसाठी. छान. अजून छान तयारी करायची.